And welcome, I'm Dr. Angelina Dcosta. Today, we're going to talk about something that is very close to the hearts of many seniors: your eyesight. As we age, our eyes naturally go through changes. Some of you may have noticed blurred vision at night, dryness, sensitivity to light, or difficulty reading small print. These issues are common, but the truth is, many of them are linked to nutritional deficiencies and oxidative stress that gradually weaken the delicate tissues of the eyes. Now, here's the good news: the food you eat can play a powerful role in protecting and repairing your eyes, especially while you sleep. Our bodies go into a natural healing mode during rest, and if we supply the right nutrients through food, our eyes can actually repair, regenerate, and restore themselves overnight. Isn't that amazing? In this video, I will be sharing with you 4 very special vegetables that seniors should eat in their cooked form. Why cooked? Because cooking unlocks certain vitamins and antioxidants, making them easier for your body to absorb. These nutrients are particularly important for eye health, supporting your retina, strengthening the cornea, filtering harmful light, and slowing down age-related vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. So if you're someone who worries about your eyesight, or if you simply want to protect the gift of clear vision for as long as possible, stay with me until the very end of this video. You're going to discover how simple changes to your evening meal can work wonders for your eyes while you sleep. Your vision is precious; it connects you to your family, your friends, and the beautiful world around you. And with the right foods, you can continue to enjoy sharp, healthy eyesight even in your golden years. Let's get started. Number 1. Carrots. Cooked and steamed, that heal and protect your eyes. When we talk about vegetables that support healthy eyes, carrots are always at the top of the list. They are often called the eye food, and for good reason. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining clear vision, especially in low-light conditions, and for keeping the cornea, the outer surface of the eye, healthy and strong. Without enough vitamin A, seniors often experience night blindness, dry eyes, and even a higher risk of infections. But here's something that many people don't know: cooking carrots actually makes their nutrients more available to your body. While raw carrots are healthy, steaming or lightly cooking them breaks down the tough cell walls, making it easier for your body to absorb beta-carotene. In fact, research shows that cooked carrots can provide more usable vitamin A than raw ones. So, when it comes to protecting your eyes, a bowl of steamed carrots can actually do more good than eating them raw. Why carrots at night? For seniors, eating carrots as part of your evening meal can be especially beneficial. During sleep, your body is busy repairing and restoring itself. The vitamin A and antioxidants from cooked carrots give your eyes the fuel they need to recover from the stress of the day, whether it's from reading, using digital devices, or simply being exposed to sunlight. Seniors who include cooked carrots in their dinner often report less dryness, improved night vision, and overall comfort in their eyes. Key benefits of cooked carrots for eye health: improves night vision. Vitamin A from carrots supports the retina and helps your eyes adjust in dim light. Prevents dry eyes. Carrots help maintain proper moisture in the eyes, reducing irritation and redness. Protects against age-related damage. Antioxidants in carrots fight free radicals that contribute to cataracts and macular degeneration. Supports cornea health. The cornea relies heavily on vitamin A, and cooked carrots provide an excellent supply. How seniors can enjoy cooked carrots. Steamed carrots. Light steaming keeps most of the nutrients intact, while making them easier to digest. Carrot soup. A warm bowl of carrot soup at night is soothing and nourishing for the eyes. Carrot stir-fry. Cooking carrots lightly with olive oil boosts the absorption of beta-carotene, since it is fat-soluble. Carrot mash or puree. Easy to chew and digest, especially helpful for seniors with dental issues. Always pair carrots with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, nuts, or avocado. This allows your body to absorb beta-carotene much more effectively. Carrots may seem like a simple vegetable, but they carry powerful nutrients that directly protect and heal your eyes. For seniors, including cooked and steamed carrots in your evening meals can make a real difference in maintaining clear vision, reducing dryness, and supporting long-term eye health. Remember, your eyes are your window to the world. Nourish them with the right foods, and they will continue to serve you well for years to come. Number 2. Spinach. Lightly cooked, that heals and protects your eyes. When it comes to leafy greens that truly nourish the eyes, spinach stands out as a superfood. For seniors who want to protect their vision, slow down age-related eye problems, and give their eyes the nutrients they need to repair overnight, spinach is a powerful ally. This green leafy vegetable is loaded with essential vitamins and antioxidants, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known as the eye vitamins. These two antioxidants act as natural filters, shielding the eyes from harmful high-energy blue light that comes from digital screens, sunlight, and artificial lighting. As we age, the natural levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in our eyes decrease, making us more vulnerable to damage. That's why adding spinach to your diet, especially in its lightly cooked form, is one of the simplest and most effective steps seniors can take to protect their eyesight. Why lightly cooked spinach is best. Many people eat spinach raw in salads, and while that is healthy, cooking spinach lightly, through steaming, blanching, or stir-frying, actually makes its nutrients more bioavailable. Cooking helps release lutein, zeaxanthin, and even some of its iron and calcium, making it easier for your body to absorb. Overcooking, however, can destroy some of the vitamins, so gentle cooking is key. When eaten at dinner, spinach provides your body with a nighttime supply of antioxidants. While you sleep, these nutrients work to repair oxidative stress in your eyes caused by sunlight, pollution, and everyday strain. Seniors who regularly eat spinach often notice less eye fatigue, reduced dryness, and sharper vision, especially during reading or driving at night. Key benefits of spinach for eye health. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. Protects against macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in seniors. Supports retinal health. Strengthens the retina, which is crucial for sharp, detailed vision. Slows cataract development. The antioxidants in spinach fight free radical damage that can cloud the eye lens. Improves blood flow to the eyes. Spinach is high in nitrates, which help improve circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach the eyes. Provides vitamin C and E. Both of these vitamins reduce oxidative damage and support long-term eye health. How seniors can enjoy spinach at night. Lightly steamed spinach. Simple, soft, and nutrient-rich. Add a squeeze of lemon for flavor and extra vitamin C. Spinach soup. A warm, gentle option that is soothing and easy to digest before bedtime. Spinach stir-fry. Cook lightly with garlic and olive oil to enhance flavor and nutrient absorption. Blended into smoothies. Lightly blanched first. Seniors can add blanched spinach into smoothies with fruits like banana or apple for a sweet, healthy drink. Pair spinach with a source of healthy fat, like olive oil, nuts, or seeds. Since lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, they are best absorbed when eaten with good fats. Spinach may look like a simple green, but it is truly a natural shield for your eyes. Lightly cooking, it unlocks powerful antioxidants that help protect against cataracts, macular degeneration, and everyday strain. For seniors, including spinach in your dinner meals is a smart, natural way to support clearer, sharper vision for the years ahead. Remember, small changes in your diet today can bring big improvements in your vision tomorrow. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Boiled or baked, that heal and protect your eyes. Sweet potatoes are more than just a comforting and delicious food, they are one of the most powerful, natural healers for your eyes. For seniors, including boiled or baked sweet potatoes in evening meals can make a big difference in maintaining strong, clear vision and slowing down age-related eye problems. The bright orange color of sweet potatoes is a clue to their nutrient richness. They are loaded with beta-carotene, a compound that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for protecting the surface of the eye, maintaining healthy vision in low light, and preventing dry eyes. Without enough vitamin A, seniors often experience poor night vision, irritation, and even an increased risk of infections. Why boiled or baked sweet potatoes are best. Cooking methods matter. When sweet potatoes are boiled or baked, their nutrients remain stable and easier for the body to absorb. Boiling keeps them soft and gentle on the stomach, while baking brings out their natural sweetness without losing too many vitamins. Unlike frying, which destroys antioxidants and adds unhealthy fats, these cooking methods keep sweet potatoes healthy and nourishing. Eating sweet potatoes in the evening gives your body a slow, steady release of vitamin A and vitamin C while you rest. This means that, while you sleep, your eyes are being supplied with the nutrients they need to repair daily wear and tear, restore moisture, and strengthen vision. Key benefits of sweet potatoes for eye health. Rich in vitamin A, from beta-carotene, supports the cornea, prevents night blindness, and strengthens overall vision. Loaded with vitamin C, protects against oxidative damage, and keeps eye tissue strong and healthy. Supports retinal function, helps the retina process light properly, leading to clearer sight. Prevents dry eyes, maintains moisture balance, reducing irritation and discomfort in seniors. Antioxidant power, helps delay age-related problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. How seniors can enjoy sweet potatoes at night. Boiled sweet potatoes, soft, easy to chew, and very gentle on digestion. Perfect for a light dinner. Baked sweet potatoes, a naturally sweet, filling dish that retains nutrients and works as a healthy substitute for desserts. Sweet potato mash, a creamy option, great for seniors who have difficulty chewing harder foods. Sweet potato soup, comforting and warm, packed with vitamins, and ideal for cold evenings. For maximum benefit, pair sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil, a few nuts or seeds. Since beta-carotene is fat-soluble, it is better absorbed when eaten with healthy fats. Sweet potatoes are not just tasty, they are truly a natural medicine for your eyes. For seniors, making them a regular part of evening meals can improve night vision, reduce dryness, and protect against long-term vision problems. Whether boiled, baked, mashed, or served as soup, sweet potatoes provide your eyes with the care they need to stay strong and clear for years to come. Remember, good eyesight doesn't only depend on glasses or eye drops, it starts from the food on your plate. Sweet potatoes are one of nature's most powerful gifts for protecting your vision naturally. Number 4. Broccoli. Steamed or stir-fried, that heals and protects your eyes. Broccoli may look like a simple green vegetable, but it is one of the most powerful foods for protecting your eyes, especially for seniors. Known as a nutrient-dense superfood, broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that directly support long-term vision health. For those who want to prevent age-related eye problems and nourish their eyes naturally, broccoli should be a regular part of evening meals. Why broccoli matters for eye health. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which are vital for eye protection. Vitamin C, in particular, is an antioxidant that shields the eyes from free radical damage, which can lead to cataracts and vision decline with age. Meanwhile, lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses for the eyes, filtering harmful blue light from screens and sunlight that can strain and damage the retina. For seniors, one of broccoli's most unique nutrients is sulforaphane, a compound that helps protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress. This nutrient not only defends your eyes against damage but also supports the body's natural detox processes, keeping cells strong and resilient. Why steamed or stir-fried broccoli is best. The way broccoli is prepared makes a big difference in how many nutrients you get. Steaming broccoli lightly helps retain vitamin C and antioxidants, while stir-frying with a little healthy oil can boost the absorption of fat-soluble compounds like beta-carotene and lutein. Overboiling broccoli, on the other hand, can cause nutrients to leach out into the water. That's why steaming or quick stir-frying is the best way for seniors to enjoy broccoli for eye health. When eaten at dinner, broccoli provides your body with antioxidants and vitamins that continue to work overnight, reducing oxidative stress in your eyes and promoting overnight repair. Seniors who include broccoli regularly often notice clearer vision, less eye strain, and greater comfort when reading or using devices. Key benefits of broccoli for eye health. Rich in vitamin C, prevents oxidative damage that can lead to cataracts. Contains lutein and zeaxanthin, protects against blue light damage and macular degeneration. Supports retina health, keeps the light-sensitive part of the eye functioning properly. Fights age-related vision loss. Sulforaphane strengthens the body's defenses against free radicals. Boosts overall eye comfort, reduces strain and dryness caused by aging or prolonged screen use. How seniors can enjoy broccoli at night. Lightly steamed broccoli, soft and easy to digest while keeping most nutrients intact. Broccoli stir-fry, cooked quickly, with olive oil and garlic for flavor and better nutrient absorption. Broccoli soup, warm and nourishing, perfect for a light dinner. Broccoli with sweet potatoes, or carrots, combining eye-friendly veggies, creates a nutrient-packed meal. Pair broccoli with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, avocado, or nuts, to help your body absorb its carotenoids more efficiently. Broccoli is truly a vision-saving vegetable. Its rich supply of vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, and sulforaphane makes it one of the best foods seniors can eat to protect their eyes. By enjoying it steamed, or stir-fried in your evening meals, you give your body the nutrients it needs to repair, protect, and strengthen your eyes overnight. Simple, everyday choices, like adding broccoli to your dinner, can have a lasting impact on your ability to see clearly, comfortably, and confidently for years to come. As we come to the close of this journey through the world of eye-healing vegetables, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. Each of these 4 humble, everyday veggies, carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and broccoli, carries within it a remarkable power to protect, heal, and restore your vision, especially as the years go by. And what's most amazing is that the benefits don't require expensive treatments or complicated routines. Carrots, when gently steamed or cooked, remind us that true nourishment often lies in simplicity. Their rich beta-carotene content turns into vitamin A, the very nutrient your eyes need to maintain sharpness in low light and to guard against long-term damage. Then we have spinach, lightly cooked so that its lutein and zeaxanthin are unlocked and made available to your body. These powerful antioxidants settle into the very center of your retina, filtering out harmful blue light and shielding your delicate eye tissues from the wear and tear of time. Next comes the sweet, earthy comfort of sweet potatoes. Boiled or baked, they deliver a wealth of beta-carotene, antioxidants, and natural energy. They don't just brighten your plate, they help brighten your vision by reducing oxidative stress and supporting a strong, healthy immune response in the eyes. Sweet potatoes remind us that even the softest, sweetest foods can have some of the strongest effects on long-term health. Finally, there's broccoli, lightly steamed or stir-fried, a tiny green tree filled with vision-saving nutrients like vitamin C, lutein, and sulforaphane. Together, these compounds protect the eyes from oxidative stress, improve circulation, and promote overall resilience against age-related decline. Broccoli shows us that prevention is always better than cure. It strengthens your eyes today so they stay clear and strong tomorrow. Now, imagine what happens when these 4 super veggies work together. It's like assembling a dream team for your vision. Carrots improving night sight, spinach shielding against harmful light, sweet potatoes restoring balance and reducing oxidative stress, and broccoli reinforcing your eye's defense system from every angle. Each one plays a unique role, but together, they create a powerful shield of nourishment and healing that works quietly as you rest at night. So tonight, as you prepare your meal, let your plate be a reminder that health and healing can be delicious, simple, and within reach. With every bite of these cooked veggies, you're not only nourishing your body, you're also giving your eyes the care they deserve, ensuring that your vision stays clear, bright, and strong for the years ahead. If you care about your vision and want to protect your eyes naturally, don't miss this video. Your eyes are precious, let's keep them healthy for life. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips for seniors. We will meet you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.